came to STEM Camp EDU. I believe this is an awesome opportunity for teachers to be able to see different ways to implement STEM into the regular ed classroom and to be able to take a more hands-on approach, a more 21st century learning style with their kids. And I love it. It gets me excited to teach, and I know it gets the students excited to learn.
They presented a lot of different things that I've never seen before, and not only just gave us what the things are, but how they incorporate them into their curriculum and how they're used from every level from, K through 12.
Not only because they're going to learn the best technologies, they're going to learn the most innovative ideas for education, the best pedagogy for education. They're also going to build a family, a network. The best educators come here and discuss best practices, and those are people that you'll stay in contact with for years after you're done with this camp.
Teachers should come to STEM Camp EDU because, like students, they still need to learn things.